Introducing the Orient Electric Areva Portable Room Heater, featuring 2000 W power and 2 heating modes. It includes advanced overheat protection and can be mounted horizontally or vertically. It also comes with a 1-year replacement warranty by Orient and is available in white. This heater boasts strong performance with a 3.9 out of 5 stars rating from over 8,400 reviews. It's the #1 bestseller in home and kitchen, with over 30,000 units bought in the past month. The Orient Electric Areva Portable Room Heater is currently available for just 1,399 rupees, a 61% discount off the MRP of 3,590 rupees. EMI options start at 128 rupees per month. This heater provides spot heating for rooms up to 250 square. It features a motor made with 100% pure copper wire for long life and reliable operation. The Areva Portable Room Heater is ideal for small to medium rooms, specifically up to 250 square feet, ensuring efficient and focused heating. The recommended plug type is 15A. Do not plug it into standard 5A or 6A sockets. Limit the use of extension cords, only for temporary purposes. You can mount this room heater horizontally for a blow of hot air in your direction while sitting. Alternatively, position it vertically to direct the warm air precisely at your feet level. The Orient Electric Areva Portable Room Heater is equipped with a 100% copper motor for long-lasting and reliable performance. For the immediate spread of warmth throughout your room, this heater comes with a powerful 2,300 RPM high-speed motor. The 2,300 RPM high-speed motor ensures a rapid and effective distribution of warmth, quickly heating your room. Enjoy complete protection and a long life with inbuilt safety features. This includes temperature control, prevention of heating element burnout, and protection against overheating and fire hazards. This portable room heater is protected against manufacturing defects with a 1-year replacement warranty, giving you ultimate peace of mind. Customer feedback is overall positive, highlighting good quality, ease of setup, and worth the price. Mixed feedback exists on heat and size. Areas of concern include high noise levels and durability issues, like plug burnout.